The Ooni Koda 16 and Gozney Arc XL are bringing the heat in the ultimate outdoor pizza oven showdown. These bad boys are packing serious firepower and promising pizzeria-quality pies right in your backyard. But wait, with so much pizza-making potential, choosing between these two can be tough. That's why in today's video, we're going to put them head-to-head, comparing their design, heat output, cooking versatility, and of course, pizza-making prowess. So, does the Ooni Koda 16 have what it takes to out-pizza the Gozney Arc XL? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about looks. Because, let's face it, if you're going to have a pizza oven in your backyard, you want it to look as hot as the pizzas it's churning out. The Ooni Koda 16 sports a sleek, modern design with a powder-coated carbon steel shell. It's got that spaceship meets pizza oven vibe that'll have your neighbors doing a double take. The insulated shell not only looks great, but also keeps the heat where it belongs, inside the oven. On the other side, we've got the Gozney Arc XL. This bad boy takes a page from the traditional pizza oven playbook with its igloo-like shape. But don't be fooled with its classic looks. This oven is all modern under the hood. The bone-white exterior gives it a clean, professional appearance that'll fit right in with any outdoor kitchen setup. Overall, both ovens have their unique charm, but here's where the Gozney Arc XL pulls ahead. It's got a wider mouth. This might not seem like a big deal, but trust us, when you're sliding in a 16-inch pizza loaded with toppings, you'll appreciate the extra room to maneuver. Now let's talk about size, because size matters, especially when it comes to pizza ovens. The Ooni Koda 16 measures in at 25 by 23.2 by 14.7 inches and weighs in at a respectable 40.1 pounds. It's not exactly pocket-sized, but it is compact enough to move around your yard or take to a pizza party at a friend's place. The Gozney Arc XL, living up to its name, is a bit bigger. It's got internal oven dimensions of 16.8 by 20.3 by 6.8 inches and weighs 58.5 pounds. It's definitely heftier than the Koda 16, but it's still significantly lighter than Gozney's larger dome models. Overall, both ovens are designed for outdoor use only, so don't even think about trying to sneak one of these into your kitchen. Unless you want your smoke alarm to turn into a very annoying DJ. When it comes to fuel, both of these ovens are running on gas. The Ooni Koda 16 uses propane gas and can also be converted to natural gas with an additional kit. It's got a maximum power output of 4 kWh or 13,648 BTU. That's enough heat to make your eyebrows sweat just thinking about it. The Gozney Arc XL also runs on gas, with a lateral burner that creates a line of flames hugging the oven's arched ceiling. This design creates a more even top-down heat, which is crucial for getting that perfect pizza char. That said, both ovens can reach a maximum temperature of 950 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough to cook a pizza in about 60 seconds, or to melt your spatula if you forget and leave it inside. Not that we've ever done that. Now let's talk about preheat time, because let's face it, when you want pizza, you want it now, not in 3 hours. The Ooni Koda 16 claims to reach its maximum temperature in about 20 minutes. However, real-world testing suggests it's more like 40 minutes to reach an optimal cooking temperature in the center of the stone. Still, that's not bad, especially considering you're essentially creating a mini sun in your backyard. The Gozney Arc XL takes about 35 minutes to reach 800 degrees Fahrenheit or 427 degrees Celsius. It might take a smidge longer to hit its max temperature, but remember, good things come to those who wait. And by good things, we mean pizza. Always pizza. That said, both ovens offer good temperature control. The Koda 16 has a range from 482 to 932 degrees Fahrenheit, while the Arc XL can maintain a stable 950 degrees Fahrenheit. This means you can cook more than just pizza in these ovens. Now let's talk about pizza real estate. After all, size does matter when it comes to pizza. The Ooni Koda 16 boasts a cooking surface of 16.7 inches with a 0.6-inch thick cordierite stone baking board. That's enough space to cook a 16-inch pizza, or approximately one more slice than you should probably eat. But hey, we're not here to judge. The Gozney Arc XL lives up to its name, with the cooking surface big enough for a 16-inch pizza. It's got a 0.8-inch thick cordierite stone floor, providing excellent heat retention for perfectly crispy crusts. That said, both ovens can handle large pizzas, but here's a pro tip. For the best results, stick to 12 to 14-inch pizzas. This gives you more room to maneuver and ensures even cooking. Plus, it means you can make more pizzas, and more pizzas is always a good thing. Now let's talk about user-friendliness, because you want to be known as the pizza master, not the person who set their eyebrows on fire trying to make dinner. The Ooni Koda 16 is pretty straightforward to use. It comes fully assembled. Just unfold the legs, insert the stone baking board, and connect it to a gas tank. It's got a built-in ignition system, so you don't need to worry about matches or lighters. Just turn the knob, listen for the click, and you're in business. The Gozney Arc XL is equally user-friendly. Its wider mouth makes it easier to slide pizzas in and out, which is a big plus when you're dealing with 950-degree Fahrenheit temperatures. It also has a built-in thermometer, so you don't need to guess when it's ready to cook. Both ovens have a learning curve when it comes to making perfect pizzas, but that's part of the fun. Pizza is great, but sometimes you might want to branch out a bit. Can these ovens handle more than just pizza? Let's find out. The Ooni Koda 16 is surprisingly versatile. Its temperature range allows you to cook at lower temperatures, making it suitable for roasting meats, vegetables, and even baking bread. You can fit 2 cast iron pans side by side in the Koda 16, so you could be searing a steak on one side and roasting veggies on the other. The Gozney Arc XL is equally versatile. Its even heat distribution makes it great for a variety of dishes. You can roast meats, bake bread, or even try your hand at wood-fired desserts. Just remember to adjust the temperature accordingly. Not everything needs to be cooked at pizza melting temperatures. Overall, both ovens open up a world of outdoor cooking possibilities. Now, let's face it, cleaning is the least fun part of cooking, but it is necessary. The Ooni Koda 16 is relatively low maintenance. The high heat burns off most residue, so the stone doesn't need much cleaning. For stubborn spots, you can flip the stone over and let the heat do its thing. The exterior can be wiped down with a damp cloth. Just make sure the oven is cool first, unless you want to cosplay as a dragon. The Gozney Arc XL is similarly easy to maintain. Its top vent helps prevent soot buildup, which is a nice touch. Like the Koda, the stone can be left to self-clean at high temperatures, and the exterior can be wiped down as needed. Now let's talk about money, because while you can't put a price on the perfect pizza, these companies certainly have. The Ooni Koda 16 is the more budget-friendly option of the two. It offers great performance at a lower price point, making it an excellent choice for home pizza enthusiasts who want restaurant-quality results without breaking the bank. The Gozney Arc XL is pricier, but it justifies its cost with its slightly larger size, even heat distribution, and professional-grade performance. It's a serious piece of equipment for serious pizza lovers. Overall, both ovens offer good value for money, depending on your needs and budget. Speaking of value, For the best prices on these pizza ovens, be sure to check out the links in the description below. You might just find a deal hot enough to match these ovens. So after all that, which of these 16-inch pizza ovens comes out on top? Well, it's a close call, but if we had to pick a winner, it's the Gozney Arc XL. Here's why the Gozney Arc XL takes the crown. It has superior heat distribution, a larger cooking space, professional-grade performance, versatility, and built-in thermometer and aesthetic appeal. The Ooni Koda 16 is still an excellent oven and a great choice for those on a tighter budget or those who prioritize portability. It's lighter, more compact, and offers great performance for its price point. However, for those who are serious about their pizza game and don't mind investing a bit more, the Gozney Arc XL offers superior performance and features that justify its higher price tag. Remember, for the best deals, check out those links in the description. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And let us know in the comments, which pizza oven would you choose?